Imagine a world where 80% of the planet remains unexplored, harboring secrets and some of the most powerful predators to ever exist. What if I told you the true rulers of this hidden realm are not just ancient, but incredibly intelligent, agile, and absolutely awe-inspiring? Prepare to dive deep beyond the surface and discover the shocking truths about the ocean's largest predators. We often think of sharks as ferocious killing machines, solely driven by an insatiable hunger for blood. But the reality is far more nuanced and deeply fascinating. Welcome to the realm of the largest predators, where the rules of survival are as merciless as the depths they inhabit. First, we'll unveil the identity of the ocean's most formidable hunter, the apex of the aquatic food chain. And as we peel back the layers of their existence, you'll discover that these magnificent creatures are not the mindless monsters portrayed in myths, but highly intelligent beings with complex behaviors and crucial roles in maintaining the balance of our planet's largest ecosystem. But how do these ancient titans survive and thrive? Sharks have evolved over millions of years, developing diverse hunting strategies to conquer the oceans. From the stealthy ambush of the great white to the precise sensing of the hammerhead and the Thresher Shark's incredible tail web, each species has its own unique adaptation. Witness the raw power of nature as these predators utilize their specialized techniques to dominate their prey. The great white, with its torpedo-like body and rows of razor-sharp teeth, is a master of disguise. It uses its incredible sense of smell to locate seals and other prey, then explodes out of the water with unmatched speed and agility, delivering a bone-crushing bite that can be heard from miles away. The hammerhead, with its distinctive head shape, possesses a specialized sensory system that allows it to detect the weak electrical signals emitted by its prey. This ability enables it to find prey buried in the sand or hidden among coral reefs, giving it a significant advantage in the hunt. The Thresher Shark, with its disproportionately long upper tail lobe, has developed a unique hunting technique known as the tail whip. With lightning-fast precision, it whips its tail, creating a powerful force that can stun or disorient prey such as schools of fish, making them easier to consume. These are just a few examples of the diverse hunting strategies employed by large sharks, showcasing their adaptability and dominance in the marine environment. But there's more to these magnificent creatures than just their predatory instincts. Beneath the surface lies a world of unexpected behaviors and astonishing intelligence. Beyond the bite, what truly goes on in the minds of these magnificent beings? Sharks exhibit signs of self-awareness, recognizing themselves in the mirror, suggesting a level of consciousness previously thought to be unique to humans. They undertake remarkable migrations, traveling vast distances across the ocean to find food or suitable breeding grounds. Some species even display cooperative behaviors, working together to herd prey or take down larger animals. The interaction between orcas and great white sharks is a testament to the intelligence of these creatures, with each species employing clever tactics to outmaneuver the other. Orcas often target great whites, stealing their prey and even biting their fins to prevent them from escaping. In response, great whites have evolved to associate the smell of orca urine with danger, allowing them to evade potential attacks. Such behaviors highlight the remarkable adaptability and cognitive abilities of sharks, challenging our perceptions of their capabilities. Moreover, Sharks possess extraordinary senses that make them formidable predators. Electroreception, the ability to detect the weak electrical fields generated by living organisms, helps them locate prey hidden in the sand or behind coral structures. Their sense of smell is so acute that they can detect blood from miles away, ensuring they are the first to arrive at a food source. These sensory adaptations, coupled with their streamlined bodies and powerful tails, enable them to navigate the aquatic realm with grace and precision, making them the ultimate hunters of the deep. However, the very dominance we admire is now under immense pressure. Overfishing, driven by the demand for shark fin soup, has led to the depletion of many species. Destructive fishing practices, habitat destruction due to coastal development, and climate change all pose significant threats to their survival. As apex predators, sharks play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. Their presence helps regulate prey populations and ensures the health of the entire food web. The decline of shark numbers can have cascading effects, leading to an imbalance in the ecosystem. The future of these oceanic giants rests in our hands. By supporting sustainable fishing practices, reducing our carbon footprint, and advocating for marine protected areas, we can help safeguard their habitats and allow these magnificent creatures to thrive once again. In our quest to understand the largest predators, we've only scratched the surface of their existence. Sharks are not the mindless killing machines portrayed in myths, but highly intelligent, adaptable, and vital components of our planet's marine ecosystem. As we continue to explore the depths of our oceans, we'll undoubtedly uncover even more secrets of these magnificent creatures, reminding us of the awe-inspiring wonders that exist in the unexplored corners of our world. And if you want to be part of the solution in protecting these magnificent creatures, here's how you can help. Support organizations that are doing incredible work in shark conservation. Share your newfound knowledge with others and help debunk the myths and misinformation surrounding these creatures. Every small step we take can make a big difference in ensuring that the legacy of sharks continues for generations to come. As we conclude this journey into the depths of our oceans, let's carry with us the spirit of adventure, curiosity, and respect for the magnificent creatures that call the seas their home. Thank you for joining me on this incredible adventure. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep dreaming of the wonders that lie beneath the surface. Dive deep and discover the extraordinary in the everyday. Because the ocean's secrets are waiting to be uncovered, and the largest predators among us may hold the key to unraveling them.